In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a report in Xero. Whether you're managing your business finances or just going through your reporting duties, having the ability to generate insightful and accurate reports in Xero is essential. Stick around, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be navigating Xero reports like a pro. First things first, start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're all signed in, then direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, you'll see an option labeled Accounting. Go ahead and click on this. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting several options. You'll want to select Reports. Now that you've accessed the Reports section, it's time to choose the type of report you need. Xero offers a diverse range of reports to fit various business needs. These are conveniently grouped under categories such as financial, sales, purchases, and taxes. For instance, under financial, you'll find reports like profit and loss or balance sheets. Sales reports could feature aged receivables or sales by item, while purchases might include aged payables or expense claims. There's even a taxes section featuring sales tax and GST/VAT reports. Once you've identified the report category you need, click on the specific report you want to run. The next step involves setting the parameters to tailor the report to your specific requirements. Begin by selecting a reporting period. Xero allows flexibility here. You can choose a monthly, quarterly, yearly, or even a custom date range, depending on what best suits your analysis. In addition to setting the date range, applying filters is crucial for honing in on the data you require. Filters such as tracking categories, cash versus accrual basis, or specific accounts can be adjusted to suit your needs. These options ensure that the report reflects the most relevant information for your situation. With everything set, it's time to run the report. Click Update or Apply to generate the report based on your selections. Now, as the report populates, take a moment to review it. This is your opportunity to customize further by adding or removing columns, sorting the data, or grouping it by categories. Tailoring the report this way can offer deeper insights and make the information more digestible for your needs or those of your stakeholders. Finally, once you're satisfied with your report, Xero gives you the option to export this data. Click on Export to download your report in your preferred format, be it PDF, Excel, or even Google Sheets. Alternatively, if you need to share the report with your accountant or another team member, you can do so directly within Xero. And there you have it. You've successfully run and customized a report in Xero. With these tools and knowledge in hand, you're now well equipped to manage your reports efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and